Okay, so hi dear Leo, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal reading for all the Leo Sun Moon Venus Rising. For those who are in complete no contact or communication from today till the 1st of December, please keep in mind the roles can be reversed also, and the action can be from your side also. If it is not resonating, it's not your story, you can just skip the video. Now, if you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that, I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want a one on one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Description box and you can book the slots. Okay, let me start for Leo. For those of like, okay, let's start. The person that you have no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Leo, let's see what's happening. We have the Seven of Pentacles, the Hermit, and the Chariot. Yeah, it's like someone is waiting and waiting and waiting, and they're tired of waiting now. They feel like they should just keep moving ahead, keep moving on in this away from this situation as far as they can, because they can't do anything much in the situation anymore. This is done, this is over. Even if they don't want it to be over, they were waiting from a very long time for the situation to improve, or for some kind of miracle to happen in the situation. But at the same time, now they are feeling like there is nothing that is going to happen in the situation. They should just keep moving ahead. Physically, they're moving on from the situation. They're kind of forcing themselves to move on from the situation. Energetically, they still are holding on to the situation for some more time. It's like I'm holding on to the situation for, let's say, for 2 more months, and maybe some kind of miracle is going to happen, and maybe Leo is going to connect with me again, or maybe we guys are going to have a collaboration or again or something like that. So they're tired of waiting, so they're kind of forcing themselves to move on from the situation, but at the same time can't stop thinking about it. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? We have the Ten of Cups, the Two of Pentacles, the Ace of Wands, right? They actually don't have any idea what they want from the situation. Do they want a family? Do they just have do they just want to have a casual kind of relationship? They're going back and forth in their intentions towards you, and they want to like have a middle ground. What? This is a very funny kind of a reading where they want you, but they are not sure whether you are somebody with whom they are going to spend their rest of life with. At the same time, they don't want to let you go, and they want to find a middle ground where they have you but they don't have you in that way. Okay, they have you, you have them, but you don't have any right on them, like commitment or marriage kind of a deal or something, but you guys are together, something like that. What? They don't know what they want from you. They want you but they don't know how. They want you but they don't know what kind of connection it is going to be, but they're very much attracted to the idea of being with you. They fantasize about you sexually as well from time to time. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the what we have 1st of December. We have the Knight of Cups, the Empress, the Tower. Gosh, this person is going to confess their feelings to you suddenly out of the blue. Leo, I got some kind of similar energy for Cancer as well. So maybe you are dealing with a Cancer, or you have Cancer in your chart, or your person, maybe, whatever. But not mandatory, but maybe. So someone is coming towards you with some kind of message, communication, apology, and some kind of offer of growth and expansion with you. Again, suddenly, very unexpectedly, when you will be least expecting it to hear from this when you will be least expecting to hear from this person whatsoever, this person is going to connect with you out of the blue. Very sudden, unexpected communication from this person's side, and they will try to fix it with you. Either they are going to be too much vulnerable in front of you, they are going to open up to you emotionally, and or they are going to apologize to you, but they are trying to fix it with you in some way. Again, this person's intentions are not very clear to them only, so how can they be very clear to you? So they are coming towards you with open heart and soul, and they want to see where things can go. As of now, they don't know what they want from you, to be honest with you. Guidance for you guys is focus on what is stable and secure and safe for you. What makes you feel stable and safe and secure? Is this the right person? Is this the right energy? Is this person, this energy is kind of giving you the feeling of safety, security, and long-term partnership kind of a deal? If not, don't even bother to look that side. Okay, if not, if yes, by all means try to sort it out with this person, and you guys can give it a shot, right? So thank you so much for tuning in, Leo. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.